Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy craft called salt dough. All you need to make this is flour, salt, and water. Add a cup of salt into a large mixing bowl, then add 1 cup of flour into the large mixing bowl, and finally a half a cup of water. Then use a spoon at first to mix everything together until it clumps up, and then you can use your hand to squeeze everything together. You can leave the dough the color it is and then paint it when it's dry, or you can add some food coloring in while you're still mixing it. I chose to use red and blue to make this sort of purple color. Then you can roll your dough out on some parchment paper so that the coloring doesn't get on your table. I then used a cookie cutter to cut the dough into the shape I wanted and removed the excess from the outside. Then we decorated it with things like beads and beans. Then we let them sit in a sunny place until they dried. With this easy recipe, you could do other things like little handprints that you could color in or put beads in, as well as just painting it. And that is the super easy recipe to make salt dough. I hope you give it a try.